Morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. In our fast-moving digital world, the way we communicate at work has completely changed. Just think about it. How many different apps do you use to communicate yesterday? Email, Teams, WhatsApp, Zoom, or WeChat? The list goes on. Today, I want to share 5 essential communication skills that every professional needs to success in this digital age. These are no just have to nice to have skill. They are must have if you want to build strong relationships, lead effective teams, and advance your career. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about choosing the right digital tools. We have so many options today, but more isn't always better. The key is to be strategic. For quick update and immediate need, use instant messaging like Teams. For meeting and face-to-face conversations, stick to video conferencing tools like Zoom or Google Meet. And for formal communication and documentation, email is still king. Here's what successful teams do. They standardize their tools instead of using 10 different apps. They pick 3 or 4 and make sure everyone knows how to use them well. They train their teams properly and set clear guidelines about when to use each tool. Most importantly, they always choose enterprise-grade tools that keep their data um, secure. The bottom line, less is more when it comes to communication tool. The key with digital tool is choosing the right tool for each purpose. Use instant messaging for quick update, video conferencing for important discussions, email for formal communication, project management tool for task coordination, and share drive for collaboration. Don't overwhelm your team with too many tools. Standardize on a few good ones and train everyone properly. Now, let's talk about building high performance team through better communication. Great teams don't happen by accident. They are built on 5 key principles. First, clear goals. Everyone know actually what they are working toward and what their role is. No confusion, no guideworks. Second, active listening. Team members actually listen to understand each other, not just to respond. This makes a huge difference in how people feel valued. Third, open communication. Okay, they are a safe environment where people can share ideas and concern without fear and judgment. Fourth, regular feedback. Teams that give and receive feedback regularly performs much better than those are don't. And fifth, psychological safety. Safety. People aren't afraid to make mistakes and ask questions. This is where real innovation happens. Want some quick wins? Start with daily check-in. Use structured meeting agents, agenda, assign clear action items, and don't forget to celebrate team achievement. There's more change can transfer your team dynamic. Let me share some fascinating facts about visual communication. Did you know that our brain processes visual communication 60,000 times faster than text? And 65% of people are visual learners. Plus, presentation with visual are 3% more persuasive than those without. So how do you create engaging presentation? Follow this base practice. Keep it simple, one idea per slide. Don't try to cram everything into one slide. Second, use visual hierarchy. Play with size, color, and position to guide your audience attention. Third, tell story. Connect with your audience emotionally. Face tell, but story sell. And practice your delivery. Even the best slide won't save a poorly rehearsed presentation. Now let's talk about a common mistake. Please don't read your slide word for word. Your audience can read. Avoid putting too much text on slide. Make sure you are good color contrast so everyone can see clearly. And always have a backup plan when technology fails. In today's global workplace, you will work with people from many different cultures. Understanding cultural difference isn't just nice, it's essential for success. There are four key culture dimensions to understand. First, power distance. Some cultures prefer hierarchy, others prefer equality. Know which one you are dealing with. Individual versus group focus. Some cultures celebrate personal achievement, others value team harmony above all. Communication still, some cultures are very direct, others are more indirect. Neither is wrong, just different. Time orientation. Some cultures stick to strict schedule, others are more flexible with timing. Here are practical strategy that work. Do research first. Learn about the culture you will be working with. When you are uncertain about something, ask questions respectfully. Observe how others behave and adapt your style accordingly. Most importantly, invest time in building genius relationship with people. Watch out for this red flag. Never assume your way in the right way. Avoid using idiom that other might not understand and paying attention to non-verbal communication differences. Finally, let's discuss how communication has changed in the digital age. Here are the key changes. Over 50% of business email are now read on mobile device. So your message need to be mobile friendly. People expect faster response time than ever before. Working across time zone is completely normal now. And your online presence matter professionally, like it or not. People will Google you. Okay. This means you need to that means you need new skill, digital etiquette, digital ethic, knowing how to behave professionally online, virtual presence, learning how to engaging through a screen, content creation, being able to write well and create basic image or video, and data privacy awareness. Understanding how to keep information secure. Here's the success formula for digital age communication. Be authentic but professional. Respond promptly but thoughtfully. Use the right channel for the right message and always maintain human connection despite digital barrier. So what should you do starting today? First, audit your communication tool. Look at what you are currently using and identify gap or redundancies. Second, set clear team guidelines about when and how to use each communication channel. Third, practice your presentation skill, focusing on storytelling and visual element. Fourth, research the cultural background of your client and client. And fifth, optimize your digital habit, improve your email signature, work on your response time, and polish your online presence. So now, let me leave you with 5 key takeaways. Strategy, tool selection, choose your tool thoughtfully and train your team properly. Trust-based communication, build team trust through consistent, respectful communication. Visual engagement, use visual to engage audience and improve persuasion. Fourth, culture intelligence, respect difference and invest in relationship building across culture. Fifth, digital adaptation, adapt to new digital expectation while maintaining human connection. Remember this success formula. Right tool plus clear message plus cultural awareness plus human connection equal communication excellence. So communication is the foundation of everything we do at work. Master these 5 skills and you will not only advance your own career but also help your team and organization success. Okay, thank you for your attention. I will be happy to take any question you might have.